Hello guys, and welcome to Not David Zamaleta. In this video, I would like to actually show you step-by-step instruction how to first update your Hero 7 Black Edition and how to actually set up the Wi-Fi transferring of all your content to the cloud. That's what we're going to do in this video. Let's get it going. Oh, by the way, you see that the cloud is on because currently it's actually transferring all the content. So you could see I already done it, and I'm going to show you how to do it using my screen on the iPhone. Yeah, this whole setup is going to be through the iPhone. It might be a little bit, probably about the same if you're setting this up at home using your computer. So let's get it. First, you're going to need to open up GoPro app. Now that you're inside of the app, you're going to need to look for your GoPro. Here's my GoPro. You're going to look at the cloud icon, click on that. It's going to start connecting. If you haven't updated your camera before, then it means you're going to need to update. Before actually doing my screen capture, I actually waited a little bit till we actually hit 15-16%, and I'm going to actually do this throughout the whole process. Now we're at 97, 98 mark. Things are beginning to be very close to the updating. So anyways guys, let's continue with the update. The update is currently being installed on the device itself. If you look at your GoPro, you could actually see it is actually installing the update. So we're gonna need to wait for the update to finish installing, and we're gonna need to select a Wi-Fi network that the GoPro is going to use by itself in order to upload all the content to the cloud. If you did buy GoPro Plus type of monthly fee, you know, like $5 to have the cloud option available with the 35 hours of video at any quality upload. So we have selected a Wi-Fi network from McDonald's because that's where I'm at, and for some reason I don't have to accept the McDonald's terms and conditions. It actually just connected just fine. So basically now my GoPro is ready, and you could see that the update has been installed. There's a little check mark. So at this point my GoPro did receive its update. So the next thing we're going to need to go to is back to the camera, select your camera and hit the cloud icon, and now it's actually going to start setting up the GoPro so it could actually upload content to the cloud. I hope I'm not really confusing you guys, because this could be confusing. So right here it gives a little instructions how you should actually do it. So we already did that. We actually chose the Wi-Fi network, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it with my phone. So at this time I'm going to need to actually look at my camera, make sure, you know, things are kind of like going along. And right now we actually need to choose the network that we need to go to the Wi-Fi settings on our phone or device, computer, whatever you're using. So we're using an iPhone for me. So right now I'm actually going to go to the settings, Wi-Fi settings, and we're going to select the Wi-Fi network for the GoPro. So you can see right now my GoPro is actually connected to the Wi-Fi. We need to change these settings to the actual network. And you might be thinking, how is your camera going to connect to the phone now? But it will connect through Bluetooth. I'm actually going to set that up next and show you how that's done. So we did select McDonald's network. So here we go. Now we're actually going to need to set up Bluetooth settings for the GoPro. And right now your GoPro should pop up. There's my GoPro Bluetooth settings. We need to select it and set the Bluetooth settings so that it's going to communicate with the phone through Bluetooth. At this point, this is what's going to pop up: requesting Wi-Fi settings on your GoPro. Go ahead and hit allow if you do trust the network. I went ahead and I hit allow. So now it's time for us to set this up so that it could actually share your footage through Wi-Fi network to the cloud. So over here it's wanting to make sure that I'm close enough, but what's going on is things actually started you know, working already for me over here. So it's connecting, and just have to wait a little bit. And at this point I'm still thinking I need to connect the camera, but it's already actually connected, and just my GoPro screen actually turned off. Yep, right after this point. So auto update is on. So currently it's already updating at this stage. So I actually still think I need to press some buttons. and I went back to the GoPro settings and I hit the cloud because I'm thinking I need to set this thing up so it actually uploads. But that was it. Once I did the very first thing, it was done. So now it's going to start giving me error messages, and it's telling me make sure it's close enough again, and then a little error message is gonna start popping up telling me something went wrong. And actually nothing went wrong. The actual GoPro, it's already uploading everything, but the screen is off, so I cannot actually see that. So all I had to do is click on my screen power button and see that it's actually already uploading the footage. And I'm actually going to show you this at the end of the video. You see how it's something went wrong? Well, that is it. And then I try a few more times thinking, what's going on here? Why can't this thing communicate? But it's communicating. So this is it. Let's go to the next step. This is why it was actually having trouble connecting. I look at the GoPro and looks like it's sending all the footage to the cloud on the McDonald's Wi-Fi, because this is where I'm at. So I hope this helps you guys, or maybe you set yours up and you forgot a little bit how it works. Maybe this is a good refresher. My name is Serge Zmaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprint or Expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.